In this video, I'm gonna show you how we make quick $300 in about 7 days. Let's go. I posted this trade about gold, selling options on gold future. This is a feature that Tasty Trade have. If you don't know, my name is Eve. I like to sell naked options to use a lot of less margin, a lot of more buying power compared to Robinhood. Robinhood do not have options on future. They have futures now. I got approved, which is pretty awesome, but I'm not here to gamble. I'm here to make money selling options. And I took this trade, post to members, link below. Let me show you. By the way, this is a win, this is a win, this is a win, this is a win, this is a win. It's all gonna expire worthless. This is like $97 one-time fee to join for a lifetime. But this is the trade. /GC J5. You just go to Tasty and you do in the search bar /GC. It will open gold. The price at that time, look at the trade. The price was $28.93, almost $2,900 for the gold. And I posted this, sell the $27.50, 3,000, 3,005 Jade Lizard. It wasn't really a Jade Lizard when I posted that because Jade Lizard you have no loss to the upside, but still we collected $370 income. Yes, the buying power is a little high, but it is for like 10 days trade. I'm okay with that. 2 weeks trade, $10,000 in buying power. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Let me show you. At that point in time, you sold one naked put, 2,750 on the gold. And simultaneously, you also sell 3,000. You sell the naked call. So you have two open position, too risky. People say it's risky. It's not that risky because I'm going to show you why. Because the theta decay is insane. So you sell on one put side, you sell the naked put, 2750, and you sell on the call side, the 3000, which is the naked call, and you cover the naked call with the spread, so you just buy another call, 3005, just for the hedge. We collected for this trade about $360 income. This is a delta neutral option strategy. Tasty Trade, love trading the delta neutral option strategy. I like to sell naked puts. I do this maybe 10% of my time. 80% I sell naked puts with 8 ATR out of the money. Everything I teach in the link below as well. 78% pop, which is a probability of profit, 78%. And the theta decay, this is what got me. Theta decay, $43 every day in 2 weeks. Theoretically, if all else is equal, this should lose about $40 a day. $40 until it's zero. Simple as that. Simple as that. Now, you can say, oh my God, Max lost $275,000. Yes, if the gold goes to zero in the 2 weeks that I'm in this trade, goes to zero from like 2,900, it loses everything, then yeah, you will be on the hook. Theoretically, it's possible, but if it does, it's like World War 10 opens up. If gold is at zero, we have a lot bigger problems than owning your broker almost 300,000 K, just saying. But for this risk, for the 2 weeks risk, I got $360, and I assume that the gold will keep going higher. I want to say it will probably hover around 3,000. I gave myself, I didn't guess. I put like 2 ATR or something like that. I use math, I use statistics, I use numbers, everything, as I said, link below to choose the naked put 2750. And if you go now, if you go to this trade, we're now at 2950. So we're up about $50 from 28.93 to 29.50, about $50. That's nothing. That's absolutely nothing. If you go to the trade, this is the trade as of now, and it's worth, let me show you, $70. We collected 360. There's I don't know, a couple of days left. You see, this is the 2750. It's basically worthless. And 3005 core spread, and we have 4 days to expiration. So this option expired Tuesday. Now, if you haven't closed this trade, it's up to you. I'm already out. My rule is about 80% profit, but for futures, I aim for 50 to 60% profits. And that's it. I'm out, I'm moving on. And yeah, you still can lose $300,000. Take the money, run, get out, and do this again and again and again. This trade was beautiful, absolutely beautiful trade. That's $300. We collected another $600 on silver on the video yesterday if you haven't seen. And of course, all those trades are also making us money. Also, Celsius, just an FYI, this is beautiful. At 22.5, look at this, they posted earning yesterday, they bought some competitor, they're now at 30 or something. We sold the 17,500, the 17.5 put, 5 contract, collect easy $225, $4,000 on buying power. Yes, there's still a month to go, but most likely this will expire worthless. Yes, I'm not making millions and I'm not making it fast, but whatever I teach is about collecting anywhere between, I don't know, $2,000 to $4,000 a month just by selling options on Tasty Trade and pay all your monthly bills, so it can help you either retire early or just help you with the bills. That's what I teach. Everything is in the link below, and that's it. You could have made $600 on silver, $300 on gold, another $2,000 on the trades in here. Yeah, simple, low stress. Yes, the market is all-time high, but I sell so far out of the money that if I do get a sign for Apple, for example, yeah, I'll be happy to own 100 shares of Apple at 210. Be happy to own Oracle at 150. This one at 90. Amazon at 200. Target at 110. Walmart just posted earnings when it was 100, and we sold the 90, and it went to like 96 after earnings. That's it. It's simple stuff. It is that simple. Alibaba at like 140, we sold 85, collected almost $200, 150 on Walmart. Marvel is now 105. 2 weeks ago it was 108. Didn't move much. We sold the 80, collect $130. Few other trades, etc., etc. Simple to join. I'll see you in